Hi all, this video is to brief you all about the assignment SK015. So this is the attribute that I distribute to you all before. So all of you must make sure always perform a task with trust, honesty, sincerity and transparent in any situation. Originality means don't copy and paste exactly from the journal, website or reference book. Then while you perform your assignment make sure your written academic is in coherence, means you're able to write the idea systematically with excellent coherence. So I will explain details later. And then problem identification, able to provide explanation of problem very clearly and accurately. Analysis, able to organize, analyze, gather information or data and clearly describe the root of the problem. Application means you have to apply new idea or knowledge to a given problem and able to propose an alternative application. And the last one is about reference. You have to write down your reference according to APA citation format and then with excellent appropriateness and relevance of reference. So this is the template that I give to you all before. Every time when you come to consultation, you must bring it and let me sign. So every time you come, you will get 1 mark for your effort. Okay, next. This suggestion for the assignment is special for my tutorial students. So if you from other class, please consult with your tutorial lecturer. And then the design of the assignment depends on your creativity as long as fulfill the rubric attribute 1. The following guideline just as reference. First, originality, as I said before. Don't copy exactly from the reference book. So you try to use your own word and explain it. Accept the definition and citation. Coherent, you must fulfill 3 items. First, introduction, explain the purpose of this assignment and why you choose these 4 elements. Second part is index, the sequence of your assignment, means slide 1 is introduction, slide 2 to 4 is atomic size, and then slide 7 to 8 is ionization energy, like that. Okay, conclusion is what you have learned through this assignment and any idea that relevant or suitable you can add in. Okay, next, problem identification. For our assignment, there are 6 themes. So for each theme, you have to give the definition or the main point of them and then explain the factors that affect the changes of the theme and with any suitable explanation. Make sure you elaborate your explanation in detail and clear with correct concept. So for the analysis, you can compare the similarity or difference of the elements by using appropriate explanation. So there are 6 themes, so you have to compare each theme, at least 1 comparison for each theme. For example, size, you compare within the size lithium and potassium, or you compare the size of bromine and chlorine, like that. As long as there is 1 comparison for each theme. Next application, you can give new idea or new knowledge. For example, the concept in this chapter 3 periodic table which not included in the 16, or you can give alternative explanation or new analogy by using video, apps, mnemonic, comic, teaching aids, model, mind map, storyboard, and etc. Next, reference minimum 5. You must use 2 different type of reference according APA form. So this is the format, APA format for book. This one is for website and this one is for journal. Okay, so the work frame of your assignment. No matter you are do your assignment by using PowerPoint, video, apps or whatever, so you have to follow this sequence. First with introduction, next index, followed by the content. Okay, so this part is for the problem identification for atomic size. You define what is the factors, explain. Then next, analysis, compare according to your first theme, atomic size. Second theme, ionic size, analysis for second theme. Problem identification for third theme, analysis for third theme. Problem identification for the fourth theme, and analysis for the fourth theme. Fifth and sixth can be combined, or you want to separate also can. Okay, explain in details about define what is period, what is group, and then you explain the period and group for your elements. Total there are 4. This one you have to explain all. Compare the period and group according to the element that you choose. Okay, you can add some extra information for this part, also no problem. Next is application. So application, every student is different, so based on your creativity, make sure that it's creative, correct, No mistake. Next, followed by reference. Make sure there are 5 references from 2 different sources. Last is conclusion. That's all for this briefing. If you have any problem, please don't hesitate, come to my cubicle for consultation and try to get full marks for your effort. Thank you.